My name's Curtis Osborne. The name of my law firm is Osborne Law Firm, and we handle serious personal injury and wrongful death cases. The typical or stereotypical personal injury attorney in the minds of a lot of people, based on my discussions with different people, is a lawyer who jumps in and settles a volume of cases. We're different at Osborne Law Firm. We don't handle large volumes of cases. We like to give attention to each and every client, which allows us only to handle a certain number of cases. And we like helping people, so we get to know our clients personally. And when you come to Osborne Law Firm, you're not a number, you're a person, and we know your name. Personal injury cases are about trying to make people whole, ensuring that people get some sort of compensation that puts them as close as possible to where they were before they were injured. And in a situation where you're representing a family who's lost someone in a wrongful death incident, you're trying to put the family back where it was. For example, if you have small kids who are depending on a father to help send them to college, if that father is killed as a result of someone's negligence or the negligence of a corporation, we want to try to compensate the family so that we can ensure those kids can still go to college. When insurance companies deny claims or lowball clients or attempt to do it, it really upsets me because I'm a person who believes in the notion of fairness, which is one of the reasons I practice in this area of law. I like to help people and I like to ensure that things are done fairly. The law says that people are entitled to be compensated for losses that are caused by the negligence of another person or the negligence of a corporation. And oftentimes those persons or corporations are insured, and those insurance companies have been paid premiums, and they have a duty and obligation to ensure that they pay out claims, and many times they don't. And it upsets me, and it's one of the things that I think about when I work on behalf of clients. Whenever I get a result for a client that's going to change the life of that client or the result for family members, it makes me feel really good. I enjoy helping people. I've spent, time since 1998 when I first began practicing law, helping people. But it's nothing like getting a good result for a family or for a person. And typically it's been my experience that they're very appreciative of it. Our past clients and our current clients would say that Osborne Law Firm is a firm that cares. The lawyers, the paralegals, those who call and speak with you about your case on a daily basis or a regular basis, care about your case. At Osborne Law Firm, we think it's very important to maintain good communication with our clients. And our clients call us. Typically, we're available when they call. If we're not available right then we try to get back in contact with them with a very short period of time. We try to keep our clients always on top of what's going on. We try to keep them current with what's happening in their cases. We understand that for almost each one of our clients, their case is the most important thing or one of the most important things in their lives. We respect that, we appreciate that, and we work hard to deliver. Osborne Law Firm is a small law firm that handles personal injury cases. And there are a number of advantages to having a small law firm represent you versus having a large law firm represent you. With Osborne Law Firm, you don't get lost in the system. We know who you are. Typically, our clients know each and every one of us. If you call and you can't reach me at the office, then you can speak with one of the paralegals or someone else in the office who can help you or answer your questions. Our goal is to make our clients happy, to keep a close personal relationship, and to excel in representing our clients so that in the future they can perhaps refer us other people who they think might be able to use our assistance. I am licensed to practice law in 5 different jurisdictions. My office primarily is located in North Carolina, where I practice, but I also have a law license to practice in the state of Maryland, Washington, D.C., South Carolina, and Georgia. During your initial consultation, you can expect that we'll do an intake, get the information that we think is necessary to properly represent you, or at least at the very beginning to do an investigation to make a determination as to whether or not your case is one that we'll be able to assist with. After the initial intake, typically if your case is one that we're going to work with you on, we'll send you a fee agreement and an authorization to obtain certain records, whether it be medical records or records from your employer or records from someone who can document or who has documented other losses that you've experienced as a result of your incident. But our goal is to stay in contact with our clients and get back with them on a pretty regular basis.